Welcome back to Red Earth Native Plants, how to grow New Zealand trees and shrubs. The last little while I've been cleaning up this track behind me. It had been overgrown for probably 2 years. It was mainly big old gorse, and I wanted to clear it up and plant out as a nice bush track going up to somewhere else. So I thought I'd just go through a few of the things I did. The track goes up fairly steeply here past that pampas grass that I'm removing and up around to the left, so it goes up a little bit of a ridge. All the stuff I chopped out of here, which is mainly gorse and manuka, you'll see I've piled down here all the way up really, because it drops away there. The purpose for that is that when that dies down, it's a good little nursery for new plants. Once I've cleaned away a lot of the stuff I don't want there, it's easy to see that the place is sort of regenerating itself quite nicely. There's probably too many manuka in here. I'll chop some of these out just to make a bit of room. But the habitat's been created under here with the ferns are growing really well. These are my tools of choice. Nice and small enough to carry, but effective enough to chop things out. And this is what the path was like before I started clearing. There's manuka all growing on the path, which I want to clear out. And then it'll look like this. You can see how along this bank on the edge of the track, all this stuff's growing here. All quite freely by itself, seeded from elsewhere. You can see there's lewa growing through here. And there's matapo, hangi, puta weta. And that's the start of a forest really. Up on the top of the ridge, and it drops away in front of us. While we're looking here, see there's puta weta and there's karamu. And they're getting to be reasonable size. They'll be a couple of metres tall some. And they've just self-sown and starting to regenerate through here. So the planting I'll do through these clearer spots will be to complement that. And we'll follow the course of doing that anyway.